Good morning, everyone. Cassandra Good recording to you live from our home office here in Albany, Georgia. And guys, I am so excited to come to you this morning. It is a beautiful Friday. It is still dark outside, but I say it's beautiful because my spirit feels beautiful. But I wanted to make sure that I come to you and let you know exactly what I've been doing behind the scenes. I've been doing some wonderful stuff as far as structuring. I've been collaborating with masterminds in this particular niche, and I've also been presenting this wonderful opportunity to multiple people, and I'm going to continue to do so for 2021. Well, guys, there's no secret. I have tapped into a stationary, a secure foundation that is going to allow me to transcend time and even in my demise further down the road, allow me to leave a legacy of wealth untold, bountiful, bountiful legacy of wealth untold. And it's because I've decided to step into 7K metals. Now, over the years, I have accumulated coins only because I realized that that was a paramount that was added to your wealth portfolio. But I promise you, as I educate myself more and more, I did not realize the value that I had in my own possession. And now that I have it, and now that it's waking me up, I want to wake you up to the same opportunity. I want to make sure that you understand where I'm coming from. And here's where I'm coming from. Over the years, I'm going to share businesses. I'm going to share opportunities, and they will give you instant and self gratification by terms of fiat money. Yes, they will. But if all of you all realize back in 1971, if you were still here, or if you were even here at all, you realized that our president at that time, Mr. Nixon, had removed the backing of our fiat money. Gold and silver was no longer backing our precious fiat money. And over the years, you've seen an incline of inflation by way of products and goods, but you've seen a deflation in the value of your money. So, what do you think is happening? What do you think is happening? We need to find out how we can transfer wealth. And the only way we can transfer wealth is by accumulating gold and silver and have it in our own possession so that we too can solidify our future, so we too can create firm foundations for our future. Now, guys, what this is about is me just sharing with you what I received from 7K Metals. Now, I've been so busy and so excited and sharing this opportunity with people that I am days late. I am days late. I got into 7K Metal and they immediately sent out my information. Now, I had my information and actually my silver. But when I joined this, I joined it with a passion that I want to help every single person. And as you've been hearing over the years, I said, this is your season of abundance. This is your season of being able to reap your harvest. This is your season to plant seeds so that you can receive this harvest. Well, guys, the harvest is here. The harvest is here, and it's time for you to plant those seeds. And the reason why I say that is because over the years, I've seen opportunities come and go. I've seen businesses come and go, but it left you hand with this. Do you see anything in my hand? Absolutely nothing. It gave you the immediate gratification. And I'm not saying that businesses won't, do certain things or what have you. But what I have realized is that if I'm building a business and I'm stacking silver and gold, if that business decides to turn and rear their ugly head into a closing status, guess what? I'm still in possession of the silver and the gold. So I've created a win-win situation for myself, a situation that will not leave my family paralyzed, especially in a pandemic like we're facing now. Many and millions have lost jobs. Millions don't even know if they have a job to come back to. And millions are online right now looking for opportunity to solidify the security that they need for their families. Well, guys, I do with all conviction feel like I have solidified. I have found the golden grail for where you need to set your roots. And so that you and your family can always have that firm win win ratio So no matter what happened, you are stacking your silver and gold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this now. You're seeing me open this for the first time. And I received this. I want you to see this. I received this back on Tuesday. Okay, what is the date on there? Okay, I received this back on Tuesday. Okay, here at my office. And I will tell you, this is amazing. I'm excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open it right before you. Because here, today is Friday. Today is Friday, guys. It's Friday the 8th. I'm going to open this in front of you so you see what I actually have. And you know what? This is going to be a little difficult, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm prepared for all kinds of difficulties. I'm prepared for that. But I wanted you to see this, guys, because this is an undertaking that everybody should be able to experience. Everybody. I'm going to go in here. It's wrapped up real good. Okay. Coming out. Okay. Five. Once you see everything that I'm getting out of here now, guys. Okay. So put that over there. Now, first, I'm just going to put these down because I'm going to go in detail with that. But here, guys, you get, look what this says. We believe in you. Here's a company that really cares. Let me inject right now. Let me let you know exactly why I position myself with 7K Metals. Number one, if you're not familiar with 7K Metals, you will be. You will be. Either I'm telling you or someone's going to bypass you and you're going to forget all about this video, which I hope that you don't, and someone's going to come up to you and say, hey, have you heard of 7K Metals? 7K Metals was created, founded in grain with a billionaire and three multi-millionaires. The billionaire owns Melaleuca. Now, we all know Melaleuca is the founder, is the premise, is the prima donna of all of all nutritional supplements. They did $3 billion in sales last year alone. All they have been doing in the many, many years of bracing you, giving you flagship products, all they've been doing is going up in sales, going up in sales. Same thing with 7K Metals. Here at 7K Metals, that came in November of 2016, they have done nothing but incline and increase for their reps, for their business partners. When 7K Metals started out, they had fewer levels of participation. They had fewer levels of earning potential. Now they have grown in the last year and a half. They have added three additional weekly bonuses, three additional weekly income streams, three additional weekly income levels. Let me say that correctly. It's not income streams, but it's income levels to allow a person to maximize this plan. Guys, this is unheard of in the industry. I've seen people modify. I've seen people downgrade. I've seen people change the compensation plan to meet the company's needs, to meet the company's pockets, to satisfy the company. These modifications have been to satisfy the reps because we're growing at an alarming rate. So here I'm going to show you, these are the booklets that you receive in here. Okay. You get all the information that you need. Okay. I'm gonna go into this a little bit deeper, but this is more of an opening package here for you. This is educational booklets. Educational booklets that you can see. My name, my phone number is on there. Okay. This is how to get in contact with me. All of this is given to you in a wealth of information, showing you the different levels of how you earn, showing you how 7K Metals is partnering with you for your success. What you really want to see, what you really want to see, and I'm opening this for the first time. You saw me open the package. What you really want to see is the value. What is 7K Metals giving you? What value are they allowing you to step in with their company? Guys, I gotta cut this open too. I love this. I absolutely love this. All of your packages come. FedEx, the World on Time, I know about them. I worked with them 11 years part-time, so I know they take things very seriously in their distribution of your product and your um, content. So never to worry about that. So I'm opening this up. You see, I'm opening this up for the first time, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, guys. This is the MS-70 South South African coins. Silver. Silver. I'm gonna make sure that's coming in here. You see that, guys? Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Guys, this has never been touched. Never been touched. The value is immense already. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Everything is authenticated. You get your certificates of authentication. Silver, guys. Silver. Okay, so that's one. Oh my goodness. And right here, this is our standard 1 ounce silver. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Amazing. Look at the design on that. Flawless. Look at the design on that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is what you will be collecting to solidify your future. Also, with this particular package, which is the premium package, you get business cards. Anyone wants to know exactly what you're doing? Simply let them know I'm stacking. I'm stacking for the future. I'm stacking to secure the future of my family. I'm leaving a legacy. I'm leaving a legacy. Okay? So as you can see right here, also the authentication here, showing you a little bit of what you have in your possession, the value, giving you an information card to let you know exactly what's in your possession, exactly what you received. This comes to you every single month. Guys, like I said, this is an opening. I'm going to go in more detail. I want to thank you so much for coming through here, but I need to let you know I've been in this industry 34 years and I'm coming up to 35-year anniversary. And this industry has been immensely, I can't say it with more passion. It has been great to me. The ups and downs, the lows, the dips, whatever you want to call it. Overall, it has provided me sound multiple six-figure income, and I've just reached another threshold that I'm not going to talk about right now. But I am so thankful for this industry. But I want to tell you something that I've experienced in this industry and many other like-minded people such as myself. We have come through, we have gone through working with companies, people, company owners passing away, losing loved ones, doing all kinds of things. But what I will tell you, no company has stood the test of time just like 7K Metals in a sense of being able to leave me with something valuable like this for my family. I've just gotten into some companies that allow some of my, well, they allow my commissions and my demise to be passed on to my family. Some, it wasn't always that way. It wasn't always that way. When you pass away, the company received those commissions back to them. That's not what I wanted. That's not about wealth generation. That's not about legacy building. But when you're stepping into a silver accumulating or gold accumulating company that has your best interest at heart, that has only increased over time for your benefit, then you know that you found the home that you've been looking for many, many years. Now, I will never stop doing other businesses. That's true. But this year, 2021 and beyond, I will definitely consistently be encouraging you constantly stack these things right here because this is what you need for your future. This is what's going to leave you with value. We'll have checks, we'll get commissions, we'll get ACH deposits as long as we're in companies. But just think about it. If anybody just decides, I want to retire, I don't want to hold this company anymore, I want to sell it. And I've been through this. Company has sold and they went through a whole different pay structure, a whole different compensation plan that left me from earning $10,000, $11,000 a month down to like $2,000 or $3,000 a month. And we all know once you increase your income, you adjust your living, you adjust your standard of living. You add more family members. You're helping more family. You're helping more loved ones that come along the way because now you're in a position to do so. How long will you be able to do that if companies are changing hands? If owners are deciding to, go on about their business, they're deciding to retire now. But when you step into a company that no matter what they do over the years, if they decide to do anything different, then have that company continue to keep the doors open for you. You still have something, of value, that you still have something of value that you can bank on, that you can still take care of your family. How many will be able to let you do that? Now, this is not my first rodeo with a coin company. I just need to let you know that. I was in Newman's Network over 10 years ago, and I had got involved in carrot bars as well. But again, experiencing the hands of changing management and ownership left me a little bewildered. But the good thing is, I have to say, I still have the coinage from each one of those opportunities. And I realize accumulation of that is what helps me stay grounded. It helps me be able to set firm and etched in stone that I have security for my family for years to come. So what I'm telling you now is with 7K metals, this is what you want to do. You want to find placement that will allow you to be able to set firm foundation for you and your family for years to come. Years to come. Guys, I want to thank you so much for coming in and listening to me this morning. I appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to be sharing so much more with you, especially about 7K metals. I want you to understand this, that I am only coming to you and I'm only telling you this has only been the premise of my channel, is to help you make decisions for you and your family to create time freedom, to create financial freedom, and to create a peace of mind freedom. All three of those together will give you the goals and success that you're looking for on this online and offline space. And I want you to also know something. I am putting together a direct mail piece for my 7K metal team. So, guys, you have a good one. Definitely, if you see that this is where you need to place yourself, that you need to do anything else, even if you don't want to build a business, but you at least want to step in and start securing coins for yourself, click the link below in this subscription so that I can go ahead and start helping you stack your gold and silver for 2021 and beyond. Guys, have a wonderful one. Please hit the like, share. I'd love for everyone to get a piece of this action and secure their future with gold and silver. You guys have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. I'll speak to you soon, and bye for now.